Okay, so quick video on the gold trade that we took on Wednesday, 19th October 2022. Get straight into it. So looking on a daily time frame, I did say that we had bearish structure with price making lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, and a swing low here. We did retrace and correct, but we failed to break this high here, which tells me that we're still looking for sell setups. Had our zones marked out at the structure zones, and what I was saying was that 1668 area was an area to look for sells, which we got on Monday. I was busy on Monday, so I wasn't able to take this trade, so we dropped down to the 4-hour time frame, and you can see the test here of 1661, and this is where I had the zone marked out for 1661. If you look at H4 structure and you look left, we've got some support and resistance here, support and resistance here. So it was a zone that was quite important in the past, and I marked it out ready for the new setup, with 1661 being an area to look for sales. In terms of a downside target, I'm looking at structure here around 1635. So what happened was we saw this initial test of 1661, price made a drop from there, and again, unfortunately I missed that trade. I was looking at XAUUSD, another trade I took on the trade copier, but I then marked out the next area of interest on the market close as 1645. Okay, you can see a little bit of support and structure here, intraday levels with these wicks around 1645, and that's the area that I explained I'll be looking for sales to take it down to 1635, 100 pip move. And lo and behold, we saw price make that drop past 1635. Our trade looked something like this. So we took shorts in London session around Wednesday here. So London session, early London, we took our shorts and we had the 30 pip stop loss. So 1645 was our entry, and we had a target of 1635. So our trade looked like this, and as you can see, if you trade order blocks, you can see that we got one here. But anyway, 1645 was the level that we identified, and we took our entry on there. Price dropped straight to 1635 using H4 structure and H4 zones. So back on a 4-hour time frame, you can see that if you missed a 1661 move, then 1645 was the next area to take a sell, which we did. Bearish structure on the higher time frames, bearish move on the lower time frames, bearish breaking structure on the minute 1 or minute 15 time frame, straight down to target, and that would be the end of the trade.